This is a BeatDrops tutorial video. In this tutorial, you'll be looking at the store menu. So from your main menu, you click on store, you'll see the sub menu. You've got pages, track, sound, save, edit, no ads, and combo. Now please make sure you read the information in the middle where it says welcome to the store. Now when you make a purchase, the purchase is made using Google Wallet. If it's on your Android or Windows phone, it will use PayPal, or on Windows desktop you will use PayPal. Please note the prices exclude taxes. You'll be shown the exact value of the item when you go to purchase it once you press OK. Some of these are one-off purchases, such as no ads. Once you purchase no ads, you don't have to purchase it again. Even if you reinstall the app to a different device, you can simply just go to file menu, file menu, more, update user from server. That will then download your account and all your purchases. So if you click on pages, you'll see it tells you you've got 38 pages. Do you want to purchase one more? So if you press OK, you will then get, if it's on Android, it will show you the price, and then you can get to confirm the purchase. So you can always confirm it before buying it and see the price. So now we've got 39 pages. Price and payment confirmed the next step, always cancel as well. Same with tracks. We've got 6 out of 12 available tracks, so we can purchase 6 more. We'll come to sounds right at the end. Again, now we've got the save. If you click on save and unlock the save, it allows you to save your project to your device. You can also share and upload it to the server for the users, and you can also record your beats. The next one is edit. The edit menu is by default locked, so if you want to change things like pan and use the more advanced features like pitch, modify, mute, you'll have to unlock the edit menu from here. The next one is no ads. That's self-explanatory. It will remove all your video ads and banner ads from the application. The next one is combo. Now before you actually buy anything, first time, it would be worthwhile to save money to have a look at our combos. Now we've got to unlock all the combos. It'll give you information on here, such as access all locked features like save, project, edit, and share online. So rather than buying the save and the edit features separately, you can buy them together using unlock all, and you will definitely save a bit when you buy them. The other ones are, you can buy 30 pages. Instead of buying pages one by one, buy 30, save some money. You can also unlock all available tracks. It's currently 12. We've got full works. This one unlocks all the features such as save, edit, no ads. It will give you all tracks, all 12 tracks, and it will add 60 pages. Now for most people, this should be more than enough to use the application on the stick. The last one is GodMode. Now GodMode might be a self-explanatory to everyone. It basically gives you access to every single feature and not everything. Removes all ads and also lets you download new sample packs free of charge. So rather than buying sample packs one by one, you can purchase the GodMode, and then you can just download sample packs to your phone. So once maybe you've got bored of the included samples, of which there are 72, you click on store and then sounds. It will show you all the new sample packs that you can download. So what you can do here, you can select a category such as bass, chord, synth, vocals. Now if we click on MISC, and now in your MISC sample packs you'll get a variety of samples such as hits, sound effects, sometimes vocals. You will also find construction kits for projects. So if you have a look here, it tells you your sample pack name to random hits to you. the date it was uploaded, and some information about the sample pack. So this is an awesome set of random effects and hits. You can preview each of these samples for free. Once you're happy with the sample pack and you want to download it, if you have a look at the price structure in the middle here, this is low price. Now there are 4 different prices. The first one is free, second is low price, the next one is standard price, and then the highest is premium. So this one is low price. You can also now scroll through all the different sample packs. So it's the alto sax one, acoustic piano one, and that's the last one. So we can download the alto sax one. If you've already purchased it, you can re-download the samples. I'm just trying to find one that I haven't downloaded. Okay, I can't find them. So basically, once you find the sample pack that you want to buy, you click on OK. On the next screen, it'll ask you to confirm the purchase. It'll tell you the price, including the VAT and fees, and then you can just tap it to confirm it. Once you've made the purchase, you can then download. It will automatically download all 12 samples to your device. If you've got any issues, maybe your internet connection breaks, your purchase should still be there. If you've got any issues, just email us info@BeatDrops.uk with your transaction ID, and then we'll just add the sample pack for you. So once downloaded, you can just press cancel, go back, and then go to your sample pack, and then you can use the samples.
You are all.
So all these samples that you're downloading are all these samples, all are various length. When you purchase a sample pack, all the samples that come with it, each sample pack has 12 samples. Each of your samples will have a length, so you know how long each sample is gonna last. So for hip hop, you've got 90 beats per minute. You can set the page length as 2.67 or 5.33 from the 5 preferences menu, and then you know that your drum loop is going to loop seamlessly.
Straight from Cali, that's what's in my joint, that's what I'm puffing. OG, and been one since I was young enough to know that everybody was gonna know me.